Hey, good morning. I thought it'd be fun to do another project that you could use as a stocking stuffer or give it as a gift for Christmas or any holiday, or you might want to have it for your own table. So I'm making napkins, and what you're going to do is you're going to take an 18-inch piece of fabric and you're going to fold over about a ½ inch all the way around, just raw edges, and then we're going to fold it on the diagonal, and we're going to have a little point here. I'm going to get our point lined up, tuck a little pin into the side seam down just a little ways from that point, about 5 inches or so. And we're going to take a ruler, and you just need to line up, it doesn't matter where, but you need to line up along the folded edge. That's very important. Don't line up your ruler along the open edge, along the folded edge of the bias here, okay? Then we're going to go move our ruler over until we have 1 inch lined up from the top to the bottom here, and we're just going to mark that. You can use any kind of marking device that you want. It can be a pencil, it could be a friction pen. I'm using an air erase pen. It doesn't matter. It's not going to show. Okay, and then you're just going to stitch that. Clip your threads. And you're going to go ahead and cut that, starting out about 1/4 inch here, and then go to the point, but not on the point. You don't want to cut your stitching, okay? When you go to press this open, it's going to create a mitered corner. So you're going to want to take this little seam that you just cut here, this little edge, and just kind of finger press that a little bit, just like that. So when you turn it, and you turn it out, it's going to create a miter in that corner, just like that, okay? And then you're going to press this and you're going to sew all the way around the edge of the napkin. So I'll do one more corner for you. I'm not going to do all 4 of them because it's kind of redundant, and I think you'll get it. I'm going to put written instructions in the comments, a link to my written instructions, which are on my blog, and you'll be able to go there and see exactly step by step how it's done. So again, fold your napkin on the diagonal, and then we're gonna tuck a pin in right here to hold these 2 edges together. We're gonna take our ruler and we're gonna line the straight edge up along the diagonal there. We're gonna slide your ruler over until you have 1 inch from the top of the ruler, from the top here all the way down to the bottom here, and you want to mark that 1 inch, okay? And then we're just going to stitch that. Clip your threads real good, and then we're going to clip right to that point there, okay? Take your pin out, and then you're going to finger press this little part open, and when you go to iron it, you'll just make sure that's open as you do that. Turn your corner out all the way. You may need a little stiletto or something to pull that out all the way if you need to, but you can see that now. Let me just press this real quick and I'll show you. I'll give it a little heat and lay it down there for you. Okay. So as you go around your corners, you'll press and you'll have a mitered corner. What it's going to look like on your napkin when you get done, once you press that mitered corner, you're going to stitch close along the edge here all the way around on the inside there, and you will have a beautiful mitered napkin just like that. So you can use any kind of fabric that you want. You just need an 18 by 18 inch square of fabric. You can make it larger or smaller. Maybe you want napkins for a tea or a luncheon, and you want them a little smaller, or maybe you want them larger. They can be any size you want. The miter is going to be the same in any case. Okay, that just makes a nice finish for a napkin. It's a quick and easy project. You can crank out a bunch of these in no time at all, and it makes a wonderful gift. So there you go. All right, I hope that was fun for you. We'll do some more. Bye.